friends, Sarah and David, are having a casual conversation about their hobbies at a coffee shop. Sarah: Hey, David. How's your day going? David: Hey, Sarah. It's going great. I finally had time for my favorite hobby today. Sarah: Oh, that sounds fun. What's your hobby? David: I love photography. I enjoy capturing beautiful moments in nature. What about you? Sarah: That's amazing. I've always wanted to learn photography. My hobby is painting. I love creating colorful landscapes. David: That's really cool. How long have you been painting? Sarah: For about 5 years now. It helps me relax. How did you get into photography? David: I started in high school. My dad gave me a camera, and I've been passionate about it ever since. Sarah: That's awesome. Do you take pictures professionally or just for fun? David: Mostly for fun, but I've done a few freelance projects. I hope to start a photography blog soon. Sarah: That's a great idea. I'd love to see your work. Maybe you could teach me some basics. David: Of course. And maybe you could show me how to paint. Sarah: Deal. We can exchange skills. By the way, do you have any other hobbies? David: Yeah, I also enjoy hiking. I love exploring nature and taking pictures of scenic views. Sarah: That sounds like an adventure. I should try hiking someday. David: You should. It's a great way to stay active and enjoy the outdoors. Sarah: This has been a great chat. It's fun learning about other people's hobbies. David: Absolutely. Maybe we should plan a day to share our hobbies. Sarah and David left feeling excited to explore new activities. Learning about hobbies is a great way to connect with others. Hobbies bring joy and new experiences. Talking about them in English helps you express yourself and connect with people better.